This is a throat chakra clearing that my inner goddess wanted to perform right now for the group energy, whoever's tuning in right now, okay? So I literally saw a sword coming out, so that means we are cutting something. The feeling is that, as I clear my voice, is that there is something that has been held back, and it could be towards a person, it could be towards a group, it could be around some situation, and it's time to stop holding it back and really releasing what you really want to say, okay? So, so what's happening is there's a bunch of light coming in through the crown, and it's actually pouring in and literally pushing out that block. There's like this thing right here, like almost like a, you know, a cork, and it's pushing it out like so, almost, so for everyone it'll feel a little different and it'll go at a different rate, but it's basically being pushed out so that that block can be removed. And there's a sword. The sword came out to help support kind of that clearing. So I'm just going to see that sword is coming in. Okay, it's cutting the influences of other people. So that's part of what that sword is doing, which is really cool. It's coming in and it's like cutting like that person's perspective and this person's perspective, and it's just clearing. So we're doing a big throat chakra clearing, and also like people's direct impact on your throat chakra. Okay, so just feel there's like multiple things going on at once. And it's safe to say what I want to say. It's safe to speak my truth. You can say that out loud if you like. It's safe to speak my truth. It's safe to say what I need to say. I am free to express. I am safe to express. More stuff's coming out. You can just breathe right through it. So on your exhale, feel it leave. Sword is still cutting off any influences. These are like manipulations and beliefs from others. That's why it's coming through. Like the sword energy is just slicing that off so you can be free to be you. So whoever needed this right now, I really hope that helps. And just notice and observe how you feel for the next little while and how that goes. Thank you for tuning in.